$10? Somebody say it's $10 a month? What the hell? Someone that say the $10? Huh? $10. Tesla wants $10? $10? They keep increasing the prices. I don't know what I'm gonna do. I'm just gonna drive this for them all day. What's up? Good morning, Tesla fans and Tesla owners. Did you guys see the new premium connectivity issue? $10 a month. Let's talk about it. Let's hop straight into the Model X and talk about it. And by the way, good morning. It's wet and very dirty. Come on, baby. Guys, it's Mike, and we're going to be talking about the Tesla's premium connectivity that will set you back $10 a month. All right, let's just get straight into it. All Tesla owners till this date has always received everything free from radio, navigation, all the features that happen in this big old screen right in the middle of our car. So who does this affect? Owners who purchase their cars from July 1st, 2018 to this date will have to pay the $9.99 a month. If you guys want, you know, your satellite radio, Spotify, and all your beautiful, beautiful podcasts. Anyone that purchased a car before that, grandfathered in. You mean this guy? I have a 2013 Model S, grandfathered, and I have this bad boy, the Model X, which I purchased in 2017, I believe, so I'm grandfathered in for that one too. I'll pop up a little handy dandy chart, pop, on the screen if you guys want to refer to this on exactly what car you guys might have and what you need to do. Here was my first concern. If I did not have a car that was grandfathered in, what do I have if I don't want to pay the $10 a month? Good news, navigation, which I love. This is probably the only car that I ever use the navigation on all the time. It still comes with the car standard with no cost. But if you want live traffic, sorry buddy, not gonna get live traffic, but you'll have navigation. Don't worry about that. Once again, I'm gonna pop up this screen right here for you guys to refer to. So what exactly do you get for spending $10 a month? What is that, 2 Starbucks? Maybe a night out on the town? That's 1 drink at the bar. For $10 a month, you will get live traffic, satellite view, video streaming, music streaming, karaoke, however you say it, internet browsing. I, for one, almost never use internet browsing whatsoever. But here's the good news for you guys who purchase a premium model, you fancy pants. Premium interiors for the S, X, and 3, you guys get a 1-year subscription. Hey, that's not a bad deal. But I'm sorry to say, Model 3 owners with the standard and partial premiums, you get a 30-day trial. Just give you a little taste before you need to spend $10 a month. So if you guys want to add these $10 features here, go to your Tesla account, add to the features, and bam, you've got everything connected to your car again. Now here's a question for you guys, either Tesla owners or Tesla fans or just fans in general. What do you guys think? $10 a month to get satellite radio, internet browsing, all the goodies of traffic and navigation, sing in your car, video streaming. If you're just a Tesla fan or even an average guy, what do you guys think about having a subscription service for your car? Leave in the comments below. Here's my 2 cents. I do like the navigation in the car a lot. One big bummer to this is they're removing the live traffic feed because I commute quite often every day. I don't have to almost 2 hours to work, and I kind of need the live traffic to route me around places, and I do a lot of road trips. I think this is the route for the future anyways. Everything's going through a subscription model these days, and Tesla knows. I mean, we had a pretty good running, guys, from 2013 or 2012 to 2019. We didn't have to pay for anything in our car. I was kind of wondering where they're going to do this. So way around all this, you guys want to get around the $10 a month? Bam! Use your phone. Connect Bluetooth. You have Waze, you have Google Maps, and you have Apple Maps. Connect it. Get a nice little mount for 15 bucks maybe, 20 bucks maybe. Stick it on your dash. Live navigation right there. For music, $10 a month will get you streaming, right? But how about you just use your your phone. Get a nice little mount, right? Connect Bluetooth, which by the way, works pretty damn well. Boom. You've got satellite radio again, back on your phone and in your car. So once again, is it worth it? You got the extra 10 bucks, you want to spare 2 Starbucks runs, nice little meal, maybe 1.5 drinks at the bar, boom, get the new premium connectivity. Anyways, guys, thanks so much for watching. Short little video for you guys, but you guys know I own 2 Teslas and I love Teslas, kind of switching to electric. I mean, I have the GTR over there and the Camaro over there, which are kind of gas guzzlers, so this is my due diligence for the environment. Thanks for watching once again. You guys leave a comment below, hit the like button, and I'll see you guys next time. Hey, Jen!
Everybody, there's a lot of